Hi, welcome back to Challenging Classics. Today we've got something even more different, headlights. Now, we've probably all seen the Holtz kit advertised on Amazon, where you can get the sun-damaged plastics back to, back to near as new, say 90%, but then you will have also probably seen, if you've been looking at that kind of thing on the interweb, these very kits for about £8-9 quid that come from China. So guess who's bought one of those kits? And there it is. Headlight restoration kit. I'm just doing this for a bit of fun, really. You can see I've got a variety of headlights down here. Now the orange ambers at the back there, I'm probably going to put back on the 986, take it back to standard, like the retro look. I like things to be as they left the factory. Yes, that is the original number plate as well. That's what it comes with, Y88 net, which is a bit strange, but anyway. These are the ones I'm going to try and bring back to life. So these are the Boxster 986 lapis blue ones off the 3.2, off the 2.7, the S, the one that broke on me. That's all on the channel. So look back and feast your eyes on the attempts we got to get that thing going and removing the engine. But yeah, I'm going to have a go at getting these up to a reasonable standard, and then I'm going to try and sell them. They don't have the corner parts anymore. They have ridiculous amounts of money, like £90 on Design 911. I don't know what they are at Porsche garages, but probably a lot cheaper. They've got the bulbs in, but you can see they've all gone yellow. So firstly, I am going to try this. So this headlight restoration kit, this is the one I got off Instagram. I think it was, whatever it was, £9.99 or something silly like that. Apparently, and if you read and believe all the adverts, you just spray it on and wipe it off, and there you go. And now that's just rubbish, unless I see it with my own eyes, unless something really drastic happens now. I don't believe that for one moment. So let's get it all set up. Let's see what's in the packet, and let's see if we can bring that and that back to a standard that we can sell. Okay, so first off, let's get into here. Let's just see what's in the packet. Right, a squeegee bottle attachment, a piece of cloth, a piece of foam, rough one side, smooth the other. What else have we got in here? Protective agent, that must be once you've put the miracle stuff on it. And then the headlight restoration. So as it says there, ladies and gentlemen, step 1, spray on. And that's it. Product name, ingredients. Spray the headlight restoration polish evenly onto the headlight surface. Polish evenly into a headlight surface, then wipe with a towel to remove any stains and yellowing. Rinse the headlight thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining headlight repair polish and impurities, ensuring a clean surface. It's all there. Number 3, pour the protective agent onto the sponge. Must mean that. And wipe the headlight surface evenly in all directions, and then allow it to dry. Shelf life 3 years. Right, okay, let's try this. That's the agent. Let's take this off. We've got a little protector. Okay, well, it's better than a piece of foil. Let's put in the little squeegee. Maybe I should have given this a shake first. I'll do it now, actually. Right, let's move these bits out of the way. Now we're ready. Oh, it's got a little lock-in tab there, which is quite smart. Actually, the bottle, I'm quite impressed with the bottle so far. Doesn't say how much you have to spray on, but I'm going to put it on pretty liberally. I've got a feeling that this is a very similar product to the jelly type oil stuff that I use. Can't remember its name. Right, so that is coming off and dripping down there. Now, did it say how long to leave it on there for? Let's have a look. No. It just says wipe it, spray it on, and then wipe it off. Okay, well, let's wipe it off. Do I use this? Yeah, we will use this. We'll use this because that's part of the kit. So if I deviate from the kit, some clever spark will say, oh, you've deviated from the kit. You should have used the blue sponge, the blue cloth. Well, I think you'll all agree that was a complete waste of time. We're going to sprint some water on it anyway, and then we'll see. Right, let's go and put some water on it. Right, I've rinsed it off. I'm going to use the Magic Costco yellow towel. Is that any better? Do you know what? I'm thinking it is ever so slightly a little bit better. But whether that's because I've just washed it, still a mark there, but that's a mark in the plastic. It looks like someone's had a go at it before and burned it a bit there. But okay, all right, we'll follow the procedure through. And the next step is to pour protective agent onto the sponge and wipe the headlight surface evenly. Now, what's the bet this makes it actually shine? So, is that going to come up? Yes, right. Dropping it. So we'll just pour some onto the sponge. Must be, I guess it's that side. A little bit too much maybe, but okay. Now this is going on just like water. Okay, well, jury's out. I'm really not sure. Let's do the other one, because I think that one is going to be a bit more of a challenge. So I'm going to put this one outside in the sun. Now this one, not quite sure what that is there. Let's just see if I can just get that off anyway. Right, let's do the same process. Spray this on. And then wipe with a towel to remove any stains and yellowing. Well, that is certainly a stain. So we use the same bit of cloth. Again, doesn't look much difference to me. So let's go and give it a wash off. So, marks on there. That's got a little bit fainter. So anyway, next step, the magic right, again, does that look any different? That's water dripping out the bottom there. Not really. So I think the interesting thing to do a test on is actually on the front of the 986. So if we look on the front of this one, we can see I've got some yellowing. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. Just on the top. The rest of it is perfect. So let's see what happens when we use this on here. Now, I'm not really too keen to do this. I've not masked anything up. This has just come back from a week away, so right, that's that. I've just sprayed it straight on. Get the affected area. Wipe off the residue off the paintwork, because I really don't know what's in this. Okay, that's wiped away. Going to do the other side as well. Spray on. Now this cloth's getting pretty saturated now. So I'm going to get some water. And again over here. Wipe it down with a cloth. Do you know what? That's actually got rid of it. That has actually got rid of it. So across there, it's slightly yellow too, but it's a lot better. So let's have a look at this side. Rub it down. Well, and again, that's actually got rid of it. There was a slight yellow in here. There's a tiny little bit there. So let's get the protector on. You can hear the roughness up there compared to here. But it didn't say anything about rubbing down. The Holtz kit, you actually go through stages of rubbing down. And there we go. So what do I think? Well, on the first set of headlights, didn't really make much difference. There was a slight improvement, but on these ones, definitely, I can definitely see an improvement. Not much, but definitely. It's not as yellow as it was, and for the time that it actually took, it's got to be a bit of a thumbs up, really. Cheap, as I said. I'll put the price in below in the description and where you can get this stuff from. These ones, the first ones I did, you can see there's still some yellow in, but I think that's actually on the lens inside. And this one, with the score, that's going to need definitely polishing out, but yeah, I think I'd give that a plus. There we go, just another silly little short video. I'll probably move on to these at some point. If you enjoyed that, like, subscribe and share. Please check out all our other videos, especially the ones about the Boxsters and all our classic car auction shenanigans. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and cheerio for now. Thanks very much.